Hello, my favorite 10th grade historians. By now you've probably noticed that I haven't been on campus for a couple days. And although I wish we could have this conversation in person, unfortunately, it didn't happen. On Tuesday, I went to a very normal routine checkup to see how my pregnancy was going, how I was doing, and how Logan was doing. And during the checkup, the doctor realized and felt that it was in my best interest to start my leave as soon as possible. So with that being said, my last day on campus was on Monday. I will be coming back, however, second semester. I'll be released to return to work. But in the meantime, I am working closely with admin, closely with Mr. Soria, closely with Miss Blakely, and with your substitutes to ensure that during my absence you have the best curriculum and lessons, assessments, everything that you need to be successful in 10th grade world history. I really want to emphasize how important it is that during my leave you still focus on getting a passing grade in world history, because world history is a graduation requirement, and if you do not have a C or higher, you are not graduation eligible. Unless you join me in summer school to retake first semester. And I know you guys don't want to have to retake first semester. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding the class, I'm not going to have a whole lot of access to my email, so your best option would be to communicate directly with the substitute that's assigned to you. Communicate with Mr. Soria, who will be mostly coming into third period, but is definitely able to help any of you in any period, or checking in with Mrs. Blakely, which is another world history teacher that I worked very close with last year. I wish you guys the best of luck. I'll be thinking about you guys. Once baby Logan is born, I'll be sending you guys some updates and some pictures, probably via Google Classroom. And then when he's old enough and healthy enough to come into the campus, I'll definitely bring him. Have a great first semester, and I'll see you guys when I come back second semester.